Hello, today we're going to look at the TOMSHOO stove. So this is my first ever stove. I did a lot of research and they're there's different, the price range varies quite a lot. Well-known companies charge of up to £100 or over, and and obviously there's some that charge much less, but they seem to offer the same sort of features and whatnot. So I watched a lot of YouTube videos and comparison videos and settled on this TOMSHOO stove. It cost me £24, but I have seen it go as cheap as £20. Okay, so let's open it up. So the casing is fabric. It seems decent quality. This is the instruction. So there's different models of this particular TOMSHOO, and they just improved it as they went along, it seems. And I've got the latest one, which comes with the ashtray to catch all the ash from burning the wood, and as they designed this, changed this design element here. And on the other side, it just tells you what order to put the parts in. And knowing me, I'll probably still get it wrong. So, as I said, you can use it as an alcohol stove or a wood stove. It comes with a grill, and as you can see, it's slightly bent. I've seen some YouTubers have straight flat ones or bent like this, so I don't know. I don't think that really matters, and as long as it sits, of course. And this is the pot stand. You just slot it in here and sit it this way. Okay, and this is if you do the alcohol burning option, this is what you would use. You'd put it towards the top end and burn your alcohol there. Next, so these are the parts. So this is for your ash, when you burn your ash, or catch your ash, sorry. So you put that at the bottom, and depending if you use the alcohol mode, you'd put it this way inside. So the tray sits on there, the alcohol tray. Or if you're burning wood, you'd put it this way. And I think the ashtray sits either, I think it sits at the bottom here or up here, I can't remember, but obviously you can refer to the instructions to see which way it is. And this is the bottom part of the stand, and this is the main part. So this, as it burns, the air goes through here, comes out here, and as the wood's burning, and the chemical that it gives off, it mixes with the air coming through here, so it creates a more intense heat and also makes it more efficient and less smoky. I hope that helps to explain the gasification process. I could be wrong, but there's other YouTubers out there who explain it much better. So that would sit on here like this, and these are some handles that come out. I'll show you. There you go. So what's next? Okay, so yeah, so I should put this in first. So depending on what mode you're using, you'd obviously put it in that particular way. But I'll just quickly show you how it looks all together. So then you'd put this, oh sorry, that sits like that. So I don't know if you can see. Just turn that around, and then this would sit, oh gosh, let me just, so this would just sit on there, just kind of, I'll do it wrong again. So yeah, so all sides have to rest on that metal part, and obviously, as I said, you put these in whichever mode you're using, and that's it. And then it's got a gap here to feed wood pellets and whatnot in there. I've not used it yet, as you can tell, it's nice and clean still. So I hope you found this video useful, and I can't say if I recommend this or not, I've not used it yet, but as I said, there's so many YouTube videos out there where people use it and test it out, so you probably find those videos a bit more helpful. So this grill thing would sit this way on top of there, like that. Show you, there we go. Or so you can put your pot stand there. I actually bought a pot set for it. I might make a video on that, so look out for that video. And I have other reviews on my channel as well. I hope you found this helpful. Take care, bye.